Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make cake and grow a garden easy method. Start by gathering potting soil, seeds, small pots, and a sunny spot, then prepare a shallow mix. Sow seeds at the recommended depth, water lightly, and label each pot. Keep soil consistently moist but not soggy. Provide bright indirect light and thin seedlings as they grow to encourage strong stems and healthy development. Gather simple materials so the process stays fun and approachable. Use a lightweight potting mix with organic matter, seed trays, or small pots, a spray bottle for gentle watering, and labels to track varieties. Pick seeds that germinate quickly indoors to see progress faster. Keep tools clean and workspace tidy, and remember that consistency with light and moisture is the key to reliable, satisfying growth in this playful cake-inspired garden method. Prepare each pot carefully and follow a simple sequence for best results. Fill containers about 2/3 full, firm soil gently, then sow seeds at the suggested depth and spacing. Cover lightly, mist daily until seedlings appear, and then shift to a gentle watering routine as roots establish. Rotate pots for even light exposure, thin crowded seedlings to 1 or 2 per pot, and keep an eye out for pests or nutrient.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.